Hey everyone, we're going to unbox the Gizmon WtuLens. I don't even know how to pronounce that. This one's in Sony E. It's also available in EOS M, XF, Nikon 1, M43, EOS R, and Nikon Z. Little pouch. Lens and adapter right here. We have an Allen wrench to adjust the adapter if needed, and an instruction manual that's probably going to come in really useful. So the way that this works is it comes in this plastic housing here that threads into this Leica L39 adapter, and the adapter then is what connects to your camera. You just simply thread the WtuLens, however it's pronounced, into the L39 adapter like this. And then this should be infinity focus once it's all the way in. And then when you are ready to focus closer, you simply focus closer. This is a 2-element lens. It's a symmetrical lens where the two elements are identical and they face each other. So this element in the back is the same as this element in the front, and that creates a wider angle lens. Here are some sample photos and videos taken with the Gizmon WtuLens.